A dog was so faithful that the woman could leave her baby with it and go out to attend other matters. She always returned to find the child soundly asleep, with the dog faithfully watching over him. One day, something tragic happened. The woman, as usual, left the baby in the hands of this faithful dog and went out shopping. When she returned, she discovered rather a nasty scene. There was a total mess. The baby's cot was dismantled. His nappies and clothes torn to shreds, with blood stains all over the bedroom where she had left the child and the dog. Shocked, the woman wailed as she began looking for the baby. All of a sudden, she saw the faithful dog emerging from under the bed. It was covered with blood and licking its mouth as if it had just finished a delicious meal. The woman got angry and assumed that the dog had devoured her baby. Without much thought, she beat the dog with a wooden stick to death. But as she continued searching for the remains of her child, she beheld another scene. Close to the bed was the baby, who, although lying on the bare floor, was safe, and under the bed was the body of a snake. The snake was torn to pieces in what had been a fierce battle between the snake and the dog, which was now dead. Then, the reality dawned on the woman, who now began to understand what had taken place in her absence. The dog fought to protect the baby from the ravenous snake. It was too late for her now to make amends, because in her impatience and anger, she had killed the faithful dog. How often have we misjudged people and torn them to shreds with harsh words and deeds before we had time to evaluate the situation? This is called sin of presumption, presuming things our way without taking the trouble to find out exactly what the situation really is. A little patience and understanding that no one is the center of the universe or the ultimate authority on life or mistakes. A little forgiveness, some minor communication can drastically reduce major lifelong mistakes. Don't think or react on what you think others are thinking. Take time to get the whole truth.